Pakistan.
108 pulis sa Bicol ang sasailalim sa Public Safety Senior Leadership Course o PSSLC. Kahapon nang isagawa sa Regional Training Center 5 Annex sa Barangay Durana, Camarines Sur ang opening ceremony para sa nasabing kurso na pinangunahan ni Police Colonel Richard Aquitania, hepe ng PRTC sa rehiyon. Isa sa mga pulis na sasailalim sa kurso ang 16 na taon na sa serbisyo na si Police Senior Master Sergeant Maria Lane Java mula sa Regional Headquarters.
Of course, what I expect from this training is to acquire the relevant knowledge and skills needed in leading junior police officers after this. This is a very crucial leadership course, for we have to amplify what we have acquired in the entire duration of the training. As our keynote speaker during the opening said, we have to think critically, we have to decide ethically, and we are expected to lead decisively.
Naging guest of honor at speaker naman sa naturang seremonya si Police Colonel Lito Andaya, officer in charge ng Office of the Chief of Regional Staff. Mahalaga niya ang pagkuha ng PSSLC para sa mga kapulisan dahil bukod sa ito'y mandatory, makakatulong ito sa paghubog sa isang pulis na mas maging mabuting leader lalo na sa kanilang mga junior.
This is all about giving them to be adapted to the changes that is happening when it comes to their job, reminding also of them of the leadership skills and all those things na they need to be reminded. They need to live up to the expectation that what is expected of them after graduation, makita natin. All those things like discipline, integrity, their camaraderie, and the new policies and guidelines that is implemented in the PNP. And it is through this schooling that they are being reviewed and they are being evaluated.
Samantala, ito na ang ikalawang batch ng PSSLC ngayong 2025. Para sa mga balitang Tatak Bicol, Mae Encinares.